This is AMD's Ryzen 9 3900X processor with Zen 2 architecture, AMD socket, AM4, 12 core, 24 threads, 4.6 GHz maximum boost with 3.8 GHz base speed, and required discrete graphics card. Welcome to my channel Techno Tutorials. Today I am going to unbox my new Ryzen 9 3900X processor. This is my Ryzen processor. This is 3900X, and before unboxing, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now I am going to unbox my new Ryzen 9 3900X processor. Here is the cell. I have to cut the cell. Here is the processor and sticker, Ryzen labeled. Okay, back side, the pin side. Okay, a good quality foam, the manual, user manual, and we found the fan, the cooler, the big cooler, and the packaging is nice. The box, inside a box actually. Okay, no, nothing else inside the box. Okay, the box is completely empty now, and I gently move this. Here it is written in the box that this box includes an AMD Ryzen processor, high performance AMD Red Prism thermal solution, and installation instruction. You will get the installation instruction from these manuals. And this is the cooler, and you will get two wires. One is USB, and here is the thermal solution. Okay, Red Prism thermal solution. By the way, this is a power wire which is connect with your motherboard. Okay, to supply power to this fan. A solid copper base and a really nice aluminum base heatsink grid, and a high quality fan. Be careful because here is the paste, shouldn't touch other surface. Okay, here are the wires, this one with RGB header, and this one with USB header for the LED light of the cooler. This side will go to the motherboard, and this side will connect to your cooler, means processor's fan. This is RGB header, and this side will connect with motherboard's RGB header pin. This side will connect with the processor's cooler this cooler. Okay, and this is a RGB header, so that you can control the RGB light through the software, where in case of USB the RGB light will controlled by the motherboard. And here is the plug point of LED. If you go through the manual, you can understand it properly. So this is the unboxing of my Ryzen 9, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. That's it for today.